Welcome to the stock workout where we flex on the market to make gains. In this video, we're going to be talking about United States Antimony Corp, ticker symbol UAMY. In this video, we're going to be talking about United States Antimony Corp, ticker symbol UAMY. I'll be giving a brief overview of the company and then we're going to take a look at the charts. But before we do that, if you haven't already, drop us a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the channel. So if we take a look at the website for United States Antimony Corporation, brief overview, it says that it is a rapidly growing natural resource company that is increasing its raw material supply of antimony from properties in Mexico and third parties around the world. So they've been operating since 1969 and they are a fully integrated mining, transportation, milling, smelting and selling company. United States Antimony Corporation operates the only significant antimony smelter in the United States and it is in a sold out condition. So that basically gives this company a large share of the market in the US. As you can see, these are some images of their plants. And it just goes on to give more information about antimony and another mineral called zeolite. Now, one of the important points to take note of is this bit here. They also sell antimony metal for use in bearings, storage batteries and ordnance. Now, obviously with the whole world shifting towards EV, there's going to be more batteries that are needed to be made, and antimony is one of them minerals that are used in batteries, so there's going to be an increased demand for this mineral. And United States Antimony, having a sort of larger or a monopoly in that US market, with the international sanctions that have been put onto China and the US wanting to mine their own minerals instead of being heavily reliant on China, this is one play that could potentially bring huge gains in the future. So if we take a look at the charts, I've got the 21-day EMA pulled up alongside the 50, 100 and 200-day moving averages. I've got the RSI pulled up and also the volume. Now, the price closed on 10th of March at $1.30. After market it dropped down to $1.28. So if I go on to the 3-month chart just to get a bigger picture of what this stock has been doing, this is the hourly chart. You've got a 3-month picture here. So as you can see, we had a huge run up in February. We ran up from about a low of about 73 cents all the way to a high of $2.52. Now I have just drawn a fib retracement from before the run up to the peak of the run up, and we can see that the price did retrace and bounce straight back up. Now a lot of this would have been attributed to the huge market sell-off that's been going on recently, but this has held the 78% Fibonacci retracement pretty strongly. It did dip below it and bounced up and bounced around here a little while, and then now we are trading above the 78% Fibonacci retracement. So hopefully this is not free falling and hopefully it won't drop any further. We do have this line of support right here at $1.11. I'll just mark that on the chart. The next line of support after that $1.11 point I would put over here at 99 cents. The reason being is we bounced off that twice. So I've marked that on the chart as well. So now if I get rid of that fib retracement, I want to also point out that recently, since we did see that run up, you've seen this huge spike in volume, and when you did see the price of this stock drop quite sharply, that would have been associated with the RSI dropping quite low. So anything over 70 is overbought, anything under 30 is oversold. So as you can see, we're slightly oversold here and the price did drop quite low down to around $1.02. and then over here again the RSI dropped really low to about 16, and this is where we saw the price bouncing around this 99 cents, bouncing off this 99 cents point, I should say. So where are we at now? Well, we have just crossed over the 50-day moving average. So the 21 EMA has just crossed over the 50-day moving average. As you can see here, I've drawn this arrow just to show you guys where it has crossed over. Now this is a good indication to see that the 21-day EMA has crossed back over the 50-day moving average. So that's an indication that we are heading into bullish territory. What we do want to see is that 21-day EMA cross over the 100 and 200-day moving average as well. But if we carry on with this trend, we should see it cross over both the 100 and 200-day moving averages. So that's something to look out for. Volume on the day was slightly lower than the average volume of the last 10 days. However, you know, it has been quite a volatile market in the past few weeks, so that is expected. Another thing to take note of is on this 3-monthly chart, if I move it slightly towards the left, if I just draw a trend line, if you look at this trend line, now I've drawn that trend line and zoomed out slightly, you can see that the stock has bounced off this trend line on numerous different occasions since December. So that is a good indication that we are heading and trending upwards. Now you will see a lot of volatility, you will see the stock go up and down. It doesn't go up in a straight line, but as long as we do hold this trend line going forward as well, that's a good indication that we are moving upwards and, you know, making progress. Given that the stock is trending upwards and we have seen the 21-day EMA cross over the 50-day moving average, I think it is in a good position right now. Also, given the fact that after the huge sell-off, I mean, if you were interested in buying the stock here at $2, you're getting a bargain here at $1.30. Also, since the peak, it has retraced down to the 78% Fibonacci retracement. It held that, bounced above that, and closed above that too. I think if you were to buy, now's a good time to buy. If you currently hold this stock, I would continue to hold because it is trending upwards and we should see it reach to its highs again in the future. Do keep an eye out for that volume. Keep an eye out to see that the 21-day EMA crosses back over the 100 and 200-day moving averages, and also keep an eye out on the RSI because after it hits sort of overbought territory, you will see it drop back down. As you can see previously over here, it did hit overbought territory. RSI was on about 85, 86, and then it did drop back down as the RSI came back down. And likewise, when the RSI dipped to oversold conditions, and then the RSI picked back up from there, we did see an increase in the price once again. So there you have it. It's trending upwards. First line of support at $1.11, the next one at 99, and the 21-day EMA has crossed over the 50-day moving average, which is a good indication that we are heading or already are in slightly bullish territory. We just need that volume to pick up slightly. But as I said, overall on the last 3 monthly chart and even before that, this stock has been trending upwards. So this is just volatility, this is just noise in the market, this huge sell-off. You know, the whole market's been going through a sell-off in the last 2 weeks. So as any other stock, this has also been affected, but we are trending upwards. So if you have got this stock, I would continue to hold. Remember, if your portfolio is in minus and you haven't pressed that sold button, it is just a paper loss. If you continue to hold, you may see that stock come back up and you may see yourself having gains again in the future. But if you exit now, you have just confirmed that loss. So hold, guys. This stock price decreasing, it comes in the territory with there being a huge sell-off. If you appreciate that, smash that like button. subscribe to the channel so I can keep bringing you more content. And if any of you have any other stocks you want me to review on the charts, just drop me a comment down below. And for those of you that are in this stock, let me know what price you got in at, and let me know what your thoughts are. And until then, I'll see you on the next one.